Hello, this is functionality proof video from Opel TV Repair. This is Bobby, and this is for mainboard for LG monitor 34UM68. The original model number has a -P at the end. This is how they mark the board. This board belongs to a customer with initials, I'm supposing, NV. It stayed here a little longer than usual, and before I show that it's functioning, I do apologize for this extra stay. The power connector has been replaced. Those are hard to come across, but the original one was apparently gotten loose. Somebody, probably the customer, tried to solder it. I don't remember if it was this one that had a glue or silicone on it, whichever the one, but there was a failure in the board that was a bigger failure, electronic failure, and we got it to work, but it didn't quite work. It took us another week, but we eventually figured it out and resolved it today. We needed some more parts, and as you can see, we're fitting it through an HDMI. This monitor does not have its own USB source, so we're using an external one, but one of the usual players that we do our functionality proof videos with. So that is that. Board is ready to go. The same problem may happen again. We don't know why. It could have been power surge, could have been normal aging of components, but there were a number of things that had to be replaced on it. Finally, it is ready. Apologies for the delay, and best of luck.